Just a test, okay? Okay, ready?
Yes.
First, go crazy poses like, you know. And this time your main light is that light. So if you keep your face that side, it will go dark. Let's go. Good. Yeah. First, try to not sit, you know. Let's take some. You can stand, for example, in this angle. Try to open your leg more than usual because it makes you taller and like heroic, okay? Then you can go back on your point. Then you can turn it, go back like this. Some balance style pose, yeah? But all the time try to keep your face to the door. Yeah, exactly. Face up, close your eyes. The other hand, give it soul. Also, that hand can break and come down. And go to your face and. Okay. Now show me your back this time. Turn back. But you should look from the other. Okay, yeah, good. Now it can be like this. So when you go down, your butt should go that way. First, both legs completely straight. And right hand, left hand touch. Give it soul. Touch your body like this, like feel that area. Good. This hand can come. Now, both legs that way. This leg can break. Coming down, then hand face that side. Yeah, eyes here for my hand. Go down more. Good. Now right hand can come in. Yeah. Left hand, show it to me. Close your eyes and face up. Turn your shoulder, show me your body. Great. Perfect, yeah. Good, wait. Yeah. Good. More down. Yeah, exactly. Look at all of your hair that side. Go down. Good. Curve your butt. Try to show your butt from this side. Turn it more. Good. Now go down. Face to the door. Great. Perfect. Go on the box. Yeah, good. Face to the door. That hand irritating. Good. Do it exactly opposite in the other side. Great. Face to me. That's okay. Turn your leg a little more. Good, perfect. Yeah. Great. Now change the leg. The other leg, but not straight. On this leg. Left. Exactly. And make it straight. Exactly. Hand. Now go down on your. Look at me. Yeah. Go down. Great. Look at you. Close your eyes. Face up. Perfect. I love you. Oh, Now, you can be like a savage style, like this. This, look at the door. Good. Try to touch your leg together. Okay, good. Right. Perfect. Look at the door. Well, look at someone coming from that door. Something like this. Exactly. Now, same pose, but turn to your right more. With leg everything. Now this side, there you go, enough. Hand on your knee and face to the door. Open. Yeah. I mean, open your leg a little bit more. Shoulder, turn to the door more.
Shoulder to the door.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Good. Look at the mirror. Perfect. Okay. Wow. To the sky. Close your eyes. Good. Perfect. Yeah. There you go. Exactly. Feel, take a deep breath and close your eyes, face up. Hold it. Good. Now again look at me. Now this leg up. No. Only, yeah, break it. Good. Great. Perfect. Now. Here's up. Great. Look at the door. Close your eyes. Perfect. And amazing. Since our time is limited today,